vending machine. Souvenirs.
14.75.
Souvenirs.
Postcards.
Postcards.
You want coffee, Alicia? No.
Caps.
Yeah, I would never really appreciate
Ah, look at that. Really flowers. That teddy bear. $5.50. Well, and then you have snacks here. Snacks. Do you want something to drink? Something to eat, man? C's right there. ATM. Ah, I think I might buy something here. Yeah. Okay. Do you want any hot coke? What about Miss Franny? Hello, Miss Franny. Hi, Miss Franny. Say something, Miss Franny. The one you make. Yes, we're just resting here. Hi, people. How are you guys doing?
How's everybody?
Yeah, we just left Charlottesville a few hours ago, and we're here almost. I think
45 minutes.
45 minutes.
2 minutes to an hour.
Yeah.
Before we get to our.
To Hampton Roads. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.